Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Instagram Threads, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm currently on Instagram, however, that's going to change very quickly. If I scroll down on the main page, I'll try to look for some threads, but as you can see, I cannot turn up on any. Usually it's supposed to be up near the top of your main page. However, that really doesn't matter. You can access threads anyway. Now, sometimes threads you might want to see, or threads that are suggested to you, will show up on your Instagram feed, but usually that's not how you interact with threads. Even if you do click on one and it's not the full image of the thread and not the full text, it's kind of a trick to bait you into actually going to threads if they catch your attention. But you can easily go to threads only if you have it installed on your phone, and I have it installed. I have my account set up on threads as well. And if I go to my profile in the bottom right, as you can see right under my name, under my profile name, as you can see, which is under my picture, you'll see that I have this ad or the threads logo next to my threads username, and I'll just tap on that, and as you can see, it brought me over to threads, and it logged me out simply because I changed my password, security reasons and all that. But as you can see, now I can go on threads, I can post new threads, and I can browse threads to my heart's content. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.